Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and access Apps. Then click on App Lock at the bottom and click on Turn On at the bottom as well. Over here, you need to create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log into your Mi account or tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and choose Not Now in the pop-up. In order to lock all of those apps, click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't want to do that, you need to click on all of them, check for 0, and tap on Use App Lock then. Now you can verify your fingerprint or click on Cancel. Finally, to lock your apps, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. You can disable app lock from one of your apps the same way. I will block YouTube, so now when I go back and try to access the YouTube app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock feature completely, go into the same settings, enter your pattern, and tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now click on the switcher next to app lock feature and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!